Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 5-spoke 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A saddle brown black leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. And alongside this does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. A rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 22,460 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmannimports.com.